Many years ago when I first got in the business, I bought a lot in the local area to build a house on. And I used a local bank for the lot financing. And I asked them to do one thing for me. And that was just call me one time a week and update me on the loan to tell me how it's going, because I was pretty nervous. I'd never spent this much money on a piece of land before. So I asked them to give me a call and update me. And throughout the 45-day process, I never got one phone call. So that's when we created the weekly loan status update, where I call the listing agent, the selling agent, and the buyer every week to update you on the loan. And it does 4 things to make sure our clients don't experience what I experienced many years ago buying a lot. Number 1, it's systematic communication throughout the process. You know, every week you're getting a personal phone call to update you on the loan. Number 2, it helps out with logistics. Many times when you're buying a house, things change with the seller and the buyer and timing. So let's make sure the logistics of closing on time happens. Number 3, it's a great time to check in to answer any questions. As you go through the process, there's only about 50 things you have to do as a buyer. It's a great time to answer any questions that may have popped up since last week. And last but not least, it's a great time to talk about the next steps as you go through the process, knowing what to expect and making sure you're on track and you're closing on time. Having a weekly loan status update from a loan officer may sound overly simple, but I do think it's vital and super important to have a smooth process and a great customer experience.